This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're having a double play date. Double play date. We love to invite friends to our house to play. Mummy makes cakes and we think of fun things to do. Is my quad bike working, Mummy?
Well, it's been charging all night, Tim, so the battery should be full. Why don't you take it outside and try it?
Oh, yay. My friend Tony Welch is coming today. We're going to play on my quad bike in the garden.
Brilliant. There you go.
And my friend Vinda and I are going to decorate cakes. It's working, Mummy!
Oh, good. Would you like to try one of the cakes now that they've cooled, Topsy?
Yes, please, Mummy. They smell very nice.
They really do. Oh.
Vinda! Tony! Tony Welch!
Oh, careful. Let me squeeze in, thank you. Hello. Come on in. Oh, hi, Elaine. Hi, Tony Welch. How are you?
I'm fine, Mrs. O'Dowd. Thanks for inviting me to play with Tim.
Oh.
Hi, Tony. Hi, Tim.
Hello, you two.
Hi, Elaine. Hi, Elaine. Hey, Tony, come on.
Bye, Tony. Be good.
How's your baby?
Fine, thanks, Topsy. I'm off to the hospital for a checkup.
Tony's mummy's got a baby in her tummy, but she doesn't know if it's a boy or a girl. I think it's a baby girl.
Tony hopes it's a baby boy. I'm going to find out today at the hospital. I'll be back about 5. Is that okay, Joy?
Yes, no problem. I'll see you later, Elaine. Bye.
Bye, Elaine. When is Vinda going to be here, Mummy?
Oh, soon, Topsy. I know. Why don't we make the cake icing together now so that it's ready for when Vinda arrives? Yes?
Yes.
Hands washed first, please. Super wash.
While we wait for Vinda, Mummy shows me how to make icing. Yummy.
Perfect. Keep stirring. Doing such a good job.
Tim! Fun, fun, fun. Oh, Mummy, where is Vinda?
Oh, I'm sure Vinda will be here any minute. Now, come on. Let's ice these cakes before the icing goes hard.
Tony, my turn now. Please, can I just have one more go?
Okay, Topsy, if you come and sit here for me. Good girl. And then once you've iced the cake, you can then put the chocolate sprinkles on. So I'll hold this and you sprinkle that over the top for me. Brilliant. Really shake it. Brilliant. Perfect. Okay, that's enough.
Look, Mummy, the for Vinda.
That's a lovely Topsy.
Tim, look at the cake I made for Vinda. Oh, yeah. Can I decorate a cake too, Mummy?
Oh, no, Tim. These are just for Vinda and Topsy to decorate. Why aren't you playing in the garden with Tony?
I'm letting Tony have another go. Vinda!
Hi there, Vinda.
Hi, Vinda. Hi.
Hello.
so sorry. Bikes took us ages.
Oh, don't worry. Go on through, girls.
We're making cakes. I made one for you. Come and see. Hi, Tim. Hi, Vinda. Look at the cake I made for you, Vinda. Look, that for Vinda. Thank you. I'm going to have this one. I'm going to take this one.
You're going to decorate them. Come on, girls. Here you go.
Tony, my turn now. Okay, I'll drive it to you. It's not working. Tim! No! Mummy! I haven't even had it go on the quad bike yet. And it's broken.
Oh, Tim, it's not broken. It just needs charging.
Tim!
Tony?
It takes ages.
Oh, just be patient. If Tony brings it here, we can charge it up.
Vinda? Yeah? That looks like a princess cake. I know, because it's for my mum. Really? Yeah. I know. Why don't we show our cakes to the boys? Okay. Come on. That's really good. Oh, yay. I'll pull it and you push it. Okay. Tony, no! Whoa! Whoa! Sorry. Mummy! Oh, sorry. I want to go home now. It was Tony's fault. I'm really sorry, Vinda. This cake's okay. You can have this one, Vinda.
Oh, that's kind, Tony. You can give that cake to your mummy, Vinda.
I didn't even get one go on my quad bike. I think I want to go home now, Mrs. O'Dell. What time's my mum coming, please? Sorry, Tim.
Well, if you stay, you can have pizza.
Pizza! Yes, please! Pizza made everyone happy again.
Who wants the last piece of pizza?
Yes! Oh, it's okay. You can have it. We can share it. Oh, yeah, that'll be great.
Good idea.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. And as we were finishing our tea, the doorbell went again. It was Tony and Vinda's mums.
Look who's here. It's home time.
Hi, Tony. We wanted to stay a bit longer. Daddy.
Hey, I've got some news. Especially for you, Tony. The baby in my tummy is a boy. You're going to have a baby brother.
Cool, you can play with all my toys.
And when he arrives, you can bring him here for a play date.
But that's when Tony said, "But my mum says you're selling this house." But my mum says you're selling this house, Topsy and Tim. So we can't come here for a play date again, can we? Isn't that right, Mummy?
Well, Tony, I said it was something that we were thinking about doing.
But we don't want to sell our house. Where will we live?
In another house. And we won't move far from here so that you can still see your friends Tony and Vinda whenever you like. I promise.
Yay! And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we had a double play date with our friends Tony Welch and Vinda. Can you remember who bumped into the cakes? Was it Topsy? Or was it Tony? The answer is behind the cloud. Look, the answer is Tony. Watch this. Vinda? Yeah? That looks like a princess cake. I know, because it's for my mum. Really? Yeah. I know. Why don't we show our cakes to the boys? Okay. Come on. That's really good. Oh, yay. I'll pull it and you push it. Okay. Tony, no! Whoa! Whoa! Sorry. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.